The Uganda Youth Network's dialogue was aimed at making sense of the budget to the youth and explaining how best they can benefit from it.
And anyone who has done a budget knows that sometimes really the things you want are more than the money that you have.
This year's event was held in Katwe, one of the many hubs in Kampala that harbors the highest number of youth, many of whom are unemployed. The youth have their view on what government should dedicate more money to.
I know traditionally the government has focused on trade and as the government has focused on infrastructure and roads, but these roads are of no use if young people or farmers are unable to produce their products to start with. You can build all the roads you want, but if the farmers have no products coming out of the farms, the roads will be useless to them.
This financial year 2018-2019 budget, I look towards having more young people prioritized. That means we have to have increased health services for the young people, health corners. We want to see more youth livelihood programs being enhanced.
My participation in this budget dialogue has actually brought me to the limelight to understand that as young people, as youth, we have actually a role to play in the budget process, executing the budget, and also not simply executing but going ahead to monitor the budget.
The organization's advocacy and marketing manager Sarah Akello gave reasons why they held a dialogue on the eve of the reading of the national budget.
So this dialogue was to enable us unpack the 2018-19 budget, which is to be read tomorrow, for young people to understand what is in it for them to be able to make the necessary demands in terms of following with government, whether it is actually implementing the youth manifesto.
The budget for the 2018-2019 financial year will be presented to Parliament tomorrow, 14th June 2018, by the Minister of Finance, Matia Kasaija.